Hi, I am CC. In this video, we'll guide you through CrownCAD's custom properties to help you optimize your design workflow. The Material Properties command is used to set the material for parts. Right-click on the material properties in the feature panel. You can directly select common materials from the menu. Double-click on the material properties or click Edit Material from the right-click menu to enter the Material Library panel. The Favorites section contains commonly used materials that have been saved. The System Materials section contains all materials built into the software. Selecting a material allows you to view its property information and appearance information. The Favorites option is used to manage the Favorites folder. It supports adding and deleting materials from the Favorites folder. Click Apply Material to Document, and the selected material is applied to the current document. In the software's right side thumbnail pane, click on the Material Library option. You can view the materials included in the Favorites and the System Material Library. Right-click on a material to add it to Favorites or remove it from Favorites. Clicking on the Detailed List icon enters the Material Library panel. At this point, you can only view the material's property information and cannot set the document material. Click on Create Personal Material Library. Modify the category name. Right-click on the category name. Click Create Material. Enter the material name. Right-click on the created material. Click on the Details list, and you can double-click to modify property values, set appearance, and hatching information. The Custom Properties command is used to set property information for documents. Switch to the BOM toolbar in the tab below the toolbar. Click on Custom Properties to open the Custom Properties panel. The system provides options for drawing number, name, material, weight, and type properties. Name, material, and weight are default associated options. Users can also set the document's name and material according to their needs. Click on the Material drop-down menu. Users can choose to edit the material, enter the Material Library panel, or select common materials from the drop-down menu. Click on the Property Template option to switch to other custom property templates. Click on the New option to create a new property. Click on Delete to remove the selected property. Click on Save to save the current set property information. In the right side thumbnail pane, select the Properties panel. You can also set related property information in the Properties panel. The property information will automatically be associated with the BOM list of the assembly after saving. Open the Press components. Switch to the BOM toolbar in the tab below the toolbar. Select the BOM tool to open the BOM tool panel. The software automatically generates an assembly level table. The Set 7:1 shaft property information has been synchronized to the BOM table. The Classification Criteria option allows you to filter the list based on the selected properties. The Properties Options box is used to set the properties to be displayed. The Parts List options are used to display the parts list included in the assembly. The Export to Excel option allows you to export the level table and parts list to an Excel spreadsheet. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD's custom properties. Now, visit www.CrownCAD.com to start your design journey.